Hi, I'm Erin Manning, photographer, author, educator, and curator of family creativity. You know, both my parents were artists, so my sister and I grew up in a household full of books and art and a lot of encouragement when it came to creating and expressing ourselves. So all these paintings and drawings and photos, they were all saved, and I just found a huge treasure trove of them in my mom's attic, so here are just a few. Now, I won't say how many years I've been saving these, but let's just say they're pretty old. And all this old childhood artwork is kind of disintegrating and fading a little bit, so it would really be a shame to keep storing these and not scan them and restore them, don't you think? Plus, I can't share the love with everyone else if they're sitting in a box. This artwork and these photographs are so precious that I definitely want to scan them at home. I am not going to send these out to be digitized. And I want really high quality, accurate scans too. Only the best. But who has time to sit in front of a computer and scan all day? Not me. I have work to do and family to look after. That's why it's really important that I find a simple and efficient way to not only create, but also preserve and improve all my photos and artwork. That's why I've started using the FlipPal and Vivid-Pix software together. It's a really simple, easy, high quality, and affordable solution. The FlipPal is a battery-powered color flatbed scanner you can take anywhere, allowing you to scan photos of any size and really any place. It scans all the images right here onto a little SD memory card, just like the card that you use in your camera. And once you have these scans on here, you can quickly transfer it to your computer and then enhance these images using the Vivid-Pix Restore software. Okay, let me show you how easy it is to scan this creation here and revive some of its original beauty. It's kind of an unusual shape and size. I think I'll put it like this. I'm going to use the FlipPal scanner and take off the lid. That allows me to scan anything, pretty much. I'm going to turn it on and then just flip it over like so and just place it right over part of the creation, and I'm going to press the green scan button and the scanner scans the image. It goes up and scans it. Now I can move it over, and it just needs to overlap at least an inch or more, and just keep hitting the scan button and it will scan the entire creation. Then we're going to stitch it all together using the Easy Stitch software that comes included on the SD memory card with the FlipPal. Okay, so I've inserted the SD memory card in the computer, and I'm going to open up the FlipPal toolkit. And when I open up the toolkit, I have quite a few options here at the top. I'm going to go with Easy Stitch, so click on that. It detects the SD card in the computer and pulls up all the scans that I have on the SD card, and look at all 8 scans here. Okay. And I'm going to click on Start Stitching. Now it's stitching 8 images. Now that we have the scan, let's fix it using the Vivid-Pix Restore software. This is just one of the many heirlooms I plan on scanning, restoring, and sharing with my family. Look at the difference. You can do this too. Now is the time to uncover some of those old precious memories you've been saving and get started. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to find out more about scanning and restoring your old photographs, check out the websites you see listed on the screen.